Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to ProTraderPath. I'm back with another video, and in today's video it's most likely a message, but before I go to the message, it's the silver bullet execution that I have made from my today's setup, which is 4th of March 2024. And please keep an eye on the levels I entered, where my trailing stop loss is, where my take profit levels are, and what I'm writing during the moment or after the moment, whatever it is. So at the moment, you can see at the very top from where I entered, it's a bag that I have written over there, but you will see me changing the name to IFVG, and I will explain that in a bit throughout the video. And as I said, this is most likely a message. This part of the video I'm sharing with you guys so that I can utilize the exact same video and exact same entry model for my later one lessons that I'm willing to update. As you all know, or some of you might know, that in my community post I have shared a post, or I have written a post, that if something massive or something big is coming to the channel, that will change the way you look into the market. However, I have also suggested a few things inside of that post. If you didn't see the post, or if you are watching this video for the first time, the message I wrote over there was actually please go to my channel. In the ICT strategies, if you know what is a fair value gap, what is FVG, how does it work, how ICT trading concept or ICT strategy works, if you know that, just basic knowledge, if you have that, go watch my silver bullet video. In the same playlist you will find dealing range type 1 and dealing range type 2 video. Go watch those videos, take as many notes as many you can from that video, and try to practice until I start the new series, because it will be massive, to be honest. I'm telling you that from now on, because I believe if you know that part, your trading journey, your life will be changed forever. You will literally, you will know how to execute, when to execute, and where to place the things. Now, as you can see, I'm cancelling, or I'm readjusting my trailing stop loss or even take profits from a different window, and it's appearing over here. That is because, as you already heard, like it said 2 times order filled, but the first time it didn't actually showed any notification on this screen. That is because, if you are already watching my videos, or if you already know, that I have 3 express funded account, and I do copy trade from my TraderPath account. However, I forgot to put my first partial from the TraderPath. Instead of that, I put or readjusted from TradingView on this specific account that you are seeing on the screen. As a result, whenever my initial entry was set, 2 of my accounts, it executed that area as my first partial. So yeah, the first ever what was it, ordered field notification that happened, that actually closed 2 of my accounts, like closed the position, the first partial, way earlier than where I anticipated. Still, it is a good profit. End of the day, I'm happy with that as well. I will share the total PnL at the end of the video. The screenshots I will share with you guys. However, yeah, that is the reason. The total number of times it will say order executed or order filled, that message or notification will be 3 times, but it was supposed to be 2 times, like first partial and the final partial or final take profit. So yeah, I mean, keep an eye on my stop loss levels or trailing stop loss levels, my writings or drawings that I'm doing. So 3x projections, that is where I took the first partial or something like that. That's writing, like that is where it aligned, and that's why I actually took the partial at that level. From that specific level, the max market is going to go, or the max market can go, is a 5 pip range increment until 20 pips. That's what I'm expecting from the market right at this moment that you can see on the screen. That's why you will see me like I'm looking into the scales from that negative 2.5 level multiple times, how far it has reached, where it has reached. And as you saw, like currently I'm drawing a fair value gap, but before drawing that fair value, way earlier I draw that measuring gap that should be unfilled, and my stop loss was sitting right above that measuring gap. As you saw, like from the beginning of the video, if you missed that part, just go back to the beginning for a glance, see where market was trading during that moment and where my stop loss was sitting during that moment. Okay, so these are the measurements or the calculations. Based on that, I'm doing what I'm doing in a trade. Okay, and yeah, if you know the calculations, there are lots of other places where you can either try to pyramid your current position by adding more lots, or you can, if you missed the first entry, this is where you can add more entries. Now this specific execution video, I want you all to save it for later, because this execution example I'm going to record one more time with all those levels, like what was the calculation behind that. I'm going to explain all those things and record again, because by the time I will be finishing with my lessons that I'm willing to share with you guys to how to look into the chart, those things, I'm not gonna disclose the information here. Once I start, you will know everything, because we all are rushing. Okay, we all are trying to know everything within a week or two and try to trade with that information. It's not correct. It's completely wrong. Also, the thing that I'm willing to upload in the channel, that is something very complicated, very complicated. And if you do not get the whole point or whole message from that part, you will be very confused, and ICT all at a sudden will not, like, it will be very hard to even get the hang of. Okay, like I don't know what the exact word I should use for that one. However, yeah, I mean, please go through the 3 videos that I have suggested, try to take notes or try to practice that, but there is a lot behind those. Okay, I tried to make things simpler, easier for you guys so that you can understand. And from the very first time when I uploaded a video on my channel, I have shared with you guys that that I have set a course. It's a course that I'm showing you guys. The course will make lot more sense if you look into the course with proper and yeah, it's a course that I had set from the very first day of my video or the starting of this channel, where I talked about the candles, then the swings, then the basic simple definition of the things that we are using over here, like what is a fair value, what is a breakaway gap, what is a order block, just the basic simple definition. Once you get those sort of knowledge, I shared some strategies that you can practice or look into to get some idea or generate some idea. But the next part of this is going to be more advanced. Even people who are trading for pretty long time, some of them will get confused with lot of ideas or lot of things. So that's the reason I cannot make the entire video as a single video. It has to be in parts, so that step by step you understand the fact. And once you understand the fact, I can share with you guys the complete summarization of that one with the examples that you are seeing on the screen, this one. And by the time I finish the entire lesson of that, the video that I'm willing to upload, once I'm done with all of those, by the meantime, as many as the examples I can collect, I will share with all of you all those examples in another video, so that you can get the complete lessons in front of your eyes. And after that you can try to practice that things, train your eyes for whatever you are getting over there, and yeah, you can start implementing those as well. And also another message is, this is the exact same thing that I have been using for a long time for my silver bullet, for the dealing range type 1 type 2 video. And this is the exact same thing that I have paid Ali Khan. Okay, Ali Khan, or Mr. AK, if you don't know him, he is one of the ICT's one of the best students, or among the best students, also the private mentorship student. Okay, like he took the ICT private mentorship that ICT personally trained couple of peoples. He is one of them as well. So I paid him from my own money to see how he is trading and how I am trading. I'm trying to like match my ideas with his ideas. So if you want the proof of the payment that I have done, I will share the proof as well. Don't worry about that, I will share. If you ask me, just let me know in the comment box. So I paid him 700 Australian dollar, okay, which is nearly like 500 US dollar or something. I paid just to see how he trades, and when I saw that yes, the way I'm looking into the chart, he is looking into the same thing, this is where it's giving me more confidence. Also, the payment didn't go in vain completely. Few of the ideas that I got from him that helped me improve more, so I'm thankful for that. But I paid $700 to just see that he is actually trading what I'm already using for last 2 years. Okay, so yeah, I mean, it is what it is. But as I said, I'm open to learning. If any of you can teach me something new, I'm more than happy to know that as well from you guys as well. This is not a financial advice. I'm not gonna say like that video, the series that I'm willing to upload, or the lessons that I'm willing to upload in parts, that will make you a profitable trader. Nothing can make you a profitable trader unless you do the hard work. You see that 5 pip range, how many times market has rejected from there, the exact level. There was not a single tick that market went below. It could have, but it never did that. Now here I could have maximized my profit, but as I saw that it's giving me a good amount of profit already by just targeting the low sitting right there, I didn't consider going any further. But yeah, I could have maximized my profit in different ways. Now look, during the whole thing, market retracing, market creating equal highs, I didn't even consider moving my stop loss. I didn't even like moving my stop loss higher. Okay, like the trailing stop loss, wherever I set it, it was sitting right there. Once it breaks below a level, I'm just moving it even closer to the current price action. I'm seeing market is going higher. Am I moving my current stop loss to a higher level that it can go tap that high? So I should put it back on the first level where I had. I'm not doing any of this. So these are the things came to me by doing the exact same thing over and over again. This is where I'm getting my confidence. Yes, sometimes the calculation will be wrong, because it will not, nothing is 100% in trading field. Okay, so yeah, it can go and stop me out, but my calculation was saying it should not go until that far. That's why I'm not putting it anywhere like higher than wherever I have kept it right now. The same thing, my take profit, yes, here I could easily target that 10 pip range from the projection that you can see the blue line and the words I have written over there. The only reason behind that is at 5 pip it has created equal lows, and if you look properly, it has created some accumulation, manipulation is happening right now. So the distribution should be lower in the lower time frame in the fractal price action. So it should go below the 5 pip range, and the next target is the 10 pip range. So by doing that, I could move the stop loss to 10 pip range, the take profit to the 10 pip range. But as I said, I was happy with the profit, so I got the profit. Now I saw like I received a new subscriber during my trading session or during the recording. So yeah, welcome. I hope by the time you will see my new things or new lessons that is coming to the channel, it will be helpful for your trading journey as well. So yeah, I mean, the reason behind that is the 5 pip handle or 5 pip price range. From there, market could easily, to take that liquidity, the next level was the 10 pip. Also, the new week opening gap caused a big problem over there. If the new week opening gap was not sitting right there, I could try to trail my take profit, and along with that the stop loss as well, like the buy stop that you can see over there with the calculations. But just because of the new week opening gap, I didn't consider trailing it lower. It actually went to all the levels that I have anticipated, and keep an eye on the 5 pip level. It tapped 2 times, it rejected 2 times.
Order filled.
Now it hit my, you see, like I'm hoping that 10 pip, before even I can write it down or move my take profit to the 10 pip, it came to the 10 pip. Now look, the very first time it came to the 10 pip level, it will give you a green candle closure. Then when it break below the 10 pip level, at the 15 pip level, it will give you again a rejection or reaction. At the 20 pip level, you will see the exact same thing. Okay, so it could easily happen. Now, as I said, this is a fractal accumulation manipulation. Now the distribution is happening. You see, it has created 2 new fair value gaps. If the new week opening gap was not there, I could have tried to take one lot or a small position from that gap, holding it until the new dealing range sell side liquidity that it is creating, and market actually delivered until that as well. There were a few calculations in between, but anyway, I'm not willing to say that's how I trade every time. Whatever I trade every time, I have traded that. The only entry I took today, I got the profit. And hopefully this video, if you save it after I upload all the lessons, it will make more sense. So that was the message for today, and I will share my PnL from all 3 accounts on the screen right now. Until next time, take a very good care of yourself, your health, and your loved one. Keep working hard, keep practicing hard, and don't lose hope. Remember, every loser is a winner. He just tried one last time. Bye bye.